Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. On today's video I'm gonna give you the shake and blur transition tutorial on CapCut. So first add your clips and then click on the transition box and then go to blur and select the blurred highlight transition. Okay, this one, and then set it all the way to the video. Click on the check icon and then after that go to video effect, basic, and then select the shake effect, this one, and then adjust the effect like this. Set the speed into 60 and then the intensity into 40. Okay, click on the check icon and then place it in between the clips and make it shorter. Okay, after that go to video effects again and then select the blur effect, this one. Click on the check icon and then make it shorter than the first effect. Then put it at the center like this. And then go to video effects again and now add the slanted blurred effect, this one. Click on check icon and then trim the effect same as the second effect like this, and also the position. Okay, and then after that click on the second clip, go to animations in and then select the shake tree effect. And put it in like this. Click on check icon and then after that I'm going to export the video first before see the result of the edit. Okay, so it's already done exporting and here is the final result for the shake and blur transition. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you. So if you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment. And last, please click on the thanks below. I will really appreciate that. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.